to you, my lovely viewers. You are welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Smart Containers ICO. It's a smart container develop, builds and rent out air flight containers for medicine and food transport. We combine cutting-edge technology and IoT sensors in the logistic ecosystem on blockchain. This ICO revolves around the haulage industry, the logistic industry. Now, let me do this. Let me first introduce the team to you. If you go to the About Us, there is it. You are going to see the guy who make things happen, Nico Rose, CTO and co-founder. You can check him out on LinkedIn. Richard Etley, Andreas Enz, Kalibonga, Thomas Taroni. You can see them here, and these are the partners, initial coin offering partners, or the advisors, or you call them. You can share these guys out all on LinkedIn. Now, let me also show you a video of what they plan to achieve. Please watch.
200 manual documents and interactions are necessary to make one shipment happen. This costs more than to effectively send the container around the world. Smart Containers is tackling this problem with blockchain technology. The Logichain is an ecosystem for all logistics stakeholders, enabling a seamless logistics process and eventually creates fully automated shipping parcels on blockchain technology. To launch the Logichain project, Smart Container runs an initial coin offering.
Yeah, thank you for watching that. You can see what they plan to achieve. Now, let me go to here. This is what I love. Richard Etley. This is this guy. Let me come here. Now, you go up here, and this is the guy, CEO and co-founder. You can see him here. Let's hear him.
How to invest? Well, you participate in our ICO. You can do that in the private sale, pre-sale, and in the ICO itself. In private sale, this is for larger ticket investors that commit a significant amount of money, usually $250,000 and more. They have a certain lockup period associated with it, and they get a discount. Then you have pre-sale. There you also get a discount, but you have to commit at least $5,000, but you don't have a holding period. And last but not least, you have the possibility to invest in the ICO where you don't have a holding period.
This is not Photoshop, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a picture, this is a video, and this is what I love. I'm not getting paid for making this review. Don't think I receive a cent from them. I'm making this review for you guys, and I'm not your financial advisor. But this is one of the CEO making the video. We can see him. That makes the ICO real. For me, I don't know about you guys, that makes the ICO real. This someone make talking. And let me go to the white paper here. Now, I checked the white paper out, and I believe that the white paper is unique, is not plagiarized. Now, let me go down here. You can see the ICO of the white paper yourself. Go through it. It's well detailed. It's well detailed ICO. Just go through it one after another, introduction and all the rest. You find the information you need for the on the white paper, what it's all about. It's good before you get involved in an ICO. These are the guys. Try to spend some time reading the ICO. It's the white paper. It helps. You'll be able to see what the future of the ICO is all about. So spend your time to check through the white paper of an ICO. It's extremely important. It's just don't buy an ICO without checking the white paper. So now you can see the guys here. Look at the guys again. You can see Richard Etley and Nico Rose. This is a picture of them too. I like this about the ICO. Now let's go to ICO bench. 4.6/5 rating. 4.5 for ICO profile, 4.3 for team, 4.4 for vision, 4.4 for product. It is SMARC. That is token name SMARC. And one SMARC is 43 cents, ladies and gentlemen. There's bonus is based on Ethereum platform. You can buy this ICO on Ethereum, Bitcoin, or fiat like US dollars or euros. The art cap is $36 million, ladies and gentlemen. They are from Switzerland. You need a KYC, that is know your customer. You need to provide your data like your passport or data page, your driver's license. If you are from US, Iran, Syria, Sudan, Cuba, Oman, Cote d'Ivoire in Africa, you cannot participate in this ICO. I'm sorry to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot involve in this ICO. But if you're not from this country, you're welcome on board. Welcome on board. Now, this is the Alexia ranking for the website smartcontainer.ch. They are popular in Vietnam in Asia, India in Asia, Turkey, India, Asia, and Europe altogether. They're popular in Russia and in Eastern European country of Ukraine. So you can see where these ICOs are popular. Now, what is my thoughts? I believe smart container should be a good one. You've seen a lot of different companies that get involved in the whole system. Getting involved in blockchain will be a good one. Will really be a good one. The logistic industry is a multi-million or billion-dollar industry. So if the team actually work well on this ICO, I believe it should be a good one. Make your due diligence, make your research, and if you're okay with this ICO, get involved. I will drop my referral link down below and you can sign up with that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you, and thank you. Merci beaucoup. Until next time, this is ICO Reviews.